Hey my natural beauties, welcome back to my channel. This is Toya for all those who are new. If you're tuning into my channel for the first time, thanks so much for watching this video. Thanks for even clicking on this video. Yeah, so by the title of this video you guys can tell what kind of video it's going to be. I haven't done a talking video with you guys in a long time. I've been wanting to do one, and this topic has been itching my nerves for the longest, months, and I just decided it was a perfect opportunity for me to make a video just talking to you guys about how I feel about this particular topic and all of that. If you've been following me for a while, then you know the kind of person that I am by now. I like to talk my mind. I'm not into the drama or anything like that. I just like to talk my mind and be free to talk my mind. Today I have something to talk about that has just been bothering me, and I'm just going to, you know, be real with you guys, because that's what my channel is about. This is my medium to get what I have to say out there and all of that. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and just stay tuned to the end, you know, to see what I have to say or hear what I have to say as I do my makeup. No, this is going to be a chit chat get ready with me video, but I'm not going anywhere. All right, that's how honest I am. But now I'm going away. I'm just doing this makeup because I wanted to play in makeup for a while, like just try out a different look, and I haven't really gotten the chance to do that. So I thought, why not just play in makeup while I talk to you guys about what I have to talk to you about. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Either way, I would recommend you guys get a snack, get a drink or something, so that we can chill and you guys can hear what I have to say about this topic, because it's very annoying to me and I just want to talk about it. Alright, so while you're at it, please subscribe if you're not already subscribed to me, and thumbs up this video. You can either hit the thumbs up button after or before you watch the video, you know. Bless you, baby. I'm just going to be 150% honest right now, and let me just say I have no idea how this video is going to play out in terms of all the things that I need to say. I don't even know if I'm going to end up saying everything that I want to say all along, because I have been thinking about making this video for some time, as I've been saying. If anything comes across disrespectful, that's not the intention. I don't see why it would come across disrespectful anyway. But if you feel offended by anything I say in this video, I apologize. My intention is not to offend anybody. I just want to be 100% honest with you guys, and I just want to talk my mind, basically. Please excuse my hair, guys. Please excuse this. I don't know what's going on with it. I'm about to take it out soon, but you know, if you're seeing my tracks and all that, that's not what this video is about. This video is about me talking my mind. So excuse me here and all them some of them. And also, if you guys hear a buzzing sound, that's because I have two fans on. I have to have a fan for myself and a fan for Marla, because you guys know Jamaica is hot as hell. And if I mention that, you guys are like, oh, Jamaica. Yeah, guys, a lot of you that watch my videos don't actually know that I live here. I live in Jamaica. I'm a Jamaican. Alright, I'm a Jamaican blogger that lives in Jamaica. Yeah, I won't have any background music for this video because it's not necessary. It's just a chit chat get ready with me. Alright, so yeah, without further ado, let's just get into this video right now. There we go. Alright guys, so this look is not about to be anything special really. If you guys want, I will list the products in the description bar, so you can go ahead and check them out down there. So basically guys, what happened was earlier on this week, or it was like last week I think, I don't know, one of the two, one of my subscribers, Tatiana Overman, I think that's her name, I'll put it on the screen. She commented saying that, you know, I deserve more recognition, and I get a lot of those comments from you guys, like a lot. Alright, whether it's a private message or sometimes you guys just comment it under the videos, and I appreciate you, Queen. Thanks so much for saying that, and everybody else that has ever said that to me. I really appreciate it, and honestly, don't I know it, I've been on YouTube since 2012, right? Been on YouTube since 2012, and since then I have struggled so much with my channel. When I just started my channel in 2012, I had no idea what I wanted my channel to be about really. I was just feeling it out, and I had no idea either that I wanted to be a makeup artist. I didn't know what the hell I wanted to do with my life, but I was enrolled in university. I was enrolled in business school. So when I finally figured out that I really loved YouTube, I just ran with it, you know. I just ran the hell with it. Through like years and years of doing this since 2012, you basically kind of feel your way through, you know, to find your place in this community. And anybody that makes YouTube videos would know that the beauty community is like the most crowded community on YouTube. When I just started doing YouTube, I was not making money right away. Alright, we weren't even allowed to monetize in Jamaica back then. It was not allowed, so you were just basically making videos to make videos, and I had no problem with that, because what YouTube does for me is I was using it to promote my business, because personally I do makeup and I do hair, so that's what I was using YouTube to promote. So I had no problem not making any money back then. But since a few years now, I've been able to collect through monetization, AdSense, whatever. A lot of you guys always have questions about that, so I think by now that is clear. But since being able to collect money from YouTube has gotten so friggin' difficult, guys. Like, it has gotten so hard to make anything on here. And I mean, although I was doing it like not for the money before, let's be real, this is time invested, and I know what I go through to make my videos. Like, I go through a shitload of stuff. When you guys see me put up my white backdrop, every time you guys see me with a white backdrop, I have to pull that down and put it up every time I want to make a video. That's why sometimes I'm just like, not today, okay? Because it does take a lot out of you to get up and to make original content and to like do all that stuff that you need to do that will ensure that you have a good video. And it's not like we don't want to do it, you know, because I do like making videos, but we have to be realistic. I'm a mother, no, and that takes up a lot of your time. So stuff like housework and them stuff, they take up your time as well. And you know, YouTube takes time. It takes time to have to edit your videos and put out content that people will like, and all them some of they like do your research so that you come up with something original. It takes time. Now basically what I want to talk about is how unfair YouTube has become, how rigged it has become to be in favor of people who are not doing shit, really. I mean, I wouldn't say they're not doing anything. Let me take that back. I would say that they're not putting out as much effort as people who are like, there are other people putting out better content, let's be honest. Alright, some people join networks and it works out for them. I know a lot of my friends here in Jamaica who have joined networks and it don't do shit, you understand? And I have held out for so long. I'm gonna tell myself, say, yo, I'm not join a network, because honestly I have not seen where it has worked for anybody. And one of my subbies recently commented and say, you know, yo, you should contact Style Hall, blah 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 blah. Style Hall is a friggin' ripoff. I will never contact Style Hall ever. When I just started out and you know, monetization was enabled and whatever, I wanted to join Style Hall. I did. But I was like, okay, like I did my research and I found out that, yo, they're ripping people off. I don't know if it's that they're ripping people off who are in Jamaica, but they're literally ripping people off. And I was not about to join that line, so I just ignored it and said, okay, if I'm going to make it big, I'm going to try to make it big on my own. And that's what I've been doing, you know, all along. So I just decided I'm going to try to keep that up. That's what I want to do. So this week a subscriber he recently subscribed to me. It's a guy. He recently subscribed to me and he was like, you know, subscribe back and whatever. He's new on YouTube. He's been at it for a couple of months and he was asking me for some advice and whatever, you know. A lot of you guys actually ask me for advice and I find that so funny. Because I'm personally nowhere where I would want to be. Not that I'm not grateful for where I am, but you know, everybody wants to get to at least 100k and I'm on that journey to get there. But anyways, you know, I find it kind of cool that you guys actually ask me, who I only have 18,000 plus subscribers, right? I'm nowhere where I want to be. And you guys actually ask me for, you know, tips and stuff like that, and I find that flattering. Thank you for doing that, because I just want to help. That's what I want to do. So when you guys ask me, you know, and I give you my opinion, I tell you guys what I think and all that good stuff, and you know, like, I have no problem helping out somebody else, because I know what it was like when you just started out. Actually, I used to do that. Come to think of it, I used to ask people, you know, like, what do you do, like, how do you do this, how do you gain subscribers, how do you do this, how do you do that, whatever. Some people do not want to help, and what good that is, I have no idea. How I don't know how it affects you by trying to help somebody else. I don't see how that dims your reach or dims your audience or your light or whatever. I don't see how the hell that affects anybody. But some people are literally just like, no, I am not going to help you, and them give all kind of style and all them somebody, which I don't see the point. But let me get back to what I'm actually saying. I don't see how it is that somebody is subscribed to you, right? They're subscribed to your channel, and all of a sudden you're having to tell people, turn on your post notifications so that you can see when I put out a video. That's total bullshit. Like, if you're already subscribed to somebody, your post notifications are automatically turned on. What YouTube is doing, I have no idea. I don't know what them I do. I don't see what sense it make. I don't know. But I don't see how somebody is subscribed to you and you have to tell them to turn on their post notifications to be able to see your videos. And my US subscribers, if I'm chipping in and out of my Jamaican accent, that's because I'm pissed off. That happens a lot. If you know anybody that's Jamaican, you know that, yo, when they're angry, the Jamaican accent comes out way more. So please forgive me if you're not understanding 100% what I'm saying, but I promise you guys will be able to get the essence. I don't even know where the hell I'm going with this look. I'm just going. I am just going, guys. I haven't used green in a while, so maybe... should I? I don't know. I'm just doing something. So yeah, guys, like, I do not know what is going on in the beauty community. I mean, people don't want to show people love no more. People don't want, like, help no more. People don't want to do none of that shit. And what baffles me is the fact that I can speak from my own geographic location. So when somebody put out a stupid ass video or put out something that is not even worth watching, they get a crap load of views, you know. And I see my brothers and sisters struggle so friggin' much, putting in so much work into these goddamn videos, and like nobody no watch them. And I'm like, shit. Even me, I feel like my views are like being wasted. Thanks so much to who actually watch my videos, because like no less effort goes into my videos. No less effort goes into my videos than goes into like people who are, you know, them have like about subscribers. I work damn hard. I can talk for myself. I work very, very hard for my videos to look good. I have pride in this. Even though it's just a hobby of mine, I have pride in it. And I take serious pride in what I do. I make sure that my videos that I put out are the best quality that I can provide, even though I don't have the best equipment, I don't have the best setting, and I'm not always in the best mood to record. However, I make it my duty to record videos because I know that I have an audience. Alright? I do this more for you guys than I do it for myself, to be honest. So yeah, I'm just glad for who actually appreciate it. But I'm here on behalf of my brothers and sisters who make YouTube videos with awesome content that effort goes into. I mean, editing skills and all them somebody, and they don't get any goddamn views. No, it's not that you don't do what other people do. It's not that your stuff is not good enough. It's not that it's not as good. You just don't reach as far for some reason, and I don't know why. It baffles me. Where I'm from, in Jamaica, people love foolishness. Them love the effery. Them love watch the video them with the mix up and the blend, because why I never know. I never know why them like watch it, honestly. And to each his own, that's fine, you know, that's fine. But then we come on their video and condemn the shit where y'all do, like, you know, like say, oh, this is not all that, or, you know, some disrespectful shit. Okay, that's what they do. And it has no effects on me whatsoever. I am just talking based on other people that I know that this might affect. It doesn't affect me, you know, when somebody comes under my video and gives hate and stuff like that. I'm just like, whatever. I have this one hater, alright? All my people who make YouTube videos, take this as something that you should just laugh. Like, you should just laugh, honestly. I have this one hater that just waits for me to put out a video to press the dislike button, and I have no idea who the hell it is. I don't even want to know who it is. It doesn't matter to me. But I just find it so funny that somebody like literally just not like me so much, them just wait till me put out a video for just dislike the video. I didn't do nothing to me, honestly. I look forward to your dislike, okay? I look forward to it. But I just find it funny though, like, you really have time for dislike somebody video? Like, why? On what basis? On what basis are you disliking the video? I don't know. But I am basically just saying the struggle is real. I don't know if I will ever get to 100k. I do not know. I just know that it's the type of thing like this. You have to continue to be persistent to see if you can get some results, because YouTube is so rigged now. It's like all who make it already is at the gate lock. It's like the gate is closed now. For all who not gone through already, it got extra hard for you to go through. And that's the truth. I'm being 100% honest. YouTube is rigged, especially when it comes down to your geographic location. Only who are here can see your videos basically in your location. They don't spread it across anymore. They don't make it available to everybody anymore, and I don't know why that is. And then that's the reason why you don't really make money like that on YouTube anymore, because companies are not really placing ads on videos like that anymore. And then everybody and them granny have a YouTube channel. I'm not knocking anybody. If you feel like you want to start a channel, go ahead and start a yeah guys, my camera has shut off on me just now, so I had to stop recording for a while. My battery got really hot. But I was basically saying that if you're making YouTube videos and you know things are not going your way, just don't feel discouraged at all. Like, keep on pushing. Like, even though the game is literally rigged. I mean, a while ago I got on my phone just to show you. I went on my phone just now and I saw a video on trending, and I was like, what the hell is this video doing on trending? Like, honestly, what is this person doing that anybody else is not doing? I don't get it. So, like, the game is rigged, but I just want to think that, yeah, man. The other thing that doesn't make any sense to me is the fact that people here, they're selectively supportive. They support who they want to support, or who they feel like them support at a particular time. And it baffles me how much people gravitate to total foolishness, and they'll never sit down and watch a sensible video with somebody sharing some decent information. They won't watch that, but then we sit down and watch total crap. Yeah, I don't get it, but yeah, for us work with the system, I guess you just have to work with the system. It's a stupid system, but I mean, what are we going to do? Honestly, nothing changes if nothing changes. If you're a viewer and you're not like a content creator or whatever, then I would just encourage you to watch people's videos, support your brother and sister them, like, show support to people, because these people with the millions and millions of views that are already there, not that they don't need your views, but honestly they couldn't care less if they had one less subscriber. Them couldn't care less if like them get one less view, you understand? And I'm not saying take away from theirs, put here. I'm simply saying support your own, because a lot of you have people who are gonna know other Jamaican YouTubers, right, that make videos and so, but when they prefer to go watch other people's video than watch somebody from Jamaica video. I mean, come on, we work just as hard, and the struggle is way more real, and I understand the struggle and I know say yo it rough. So like, support people, support your brother and sister them, because I mean I don't think people that watch videos, unless you make videos, you really and truly not gonna understand the type of struggle, the type of stress that goes into putting out a video, that goes into putting out content. And I can tell you, like, it's a lot. All I know is that it is a lot, and a lot of people don't know that. Them see it and feel say, oh, it's easy, like all you have to do is set up a camera and just it's not. It is not easy. It's one of the most difficult things to do. And I mean, YouTube already set the odds against we, see? So what we need is for our own, baby, please stop. What we need is for our own to show us support, because like, where else are we gonna get it from? It's so funny. because most of my viewers that give me feedback are not even from Jamaica. Most of my viewers are not even from here, just to show you. Like, it's just like, it just shows you that like you will get support from people far away before you get support from people who know you, from people that live close to you. You know, like, that's just how it is. That's just a thing about life. And it don't mean say to give up, honestly. It doesn't mean that you should give up, but I get the feeling of wanting to give up. I mean, I was having this conversation with my girl Adrian from Adrian's show, and you know, me and Adrian are talking on Snapchat, and we're just basically saying how difficult YouTube is and how difficult YouTube has gotten, and how the struggle real. The struggle is so real, guys. Like, the struggle is so friggin' real. I don't know if you wanna join already, would I still want to join, but let me just tell you guys, if you plan to join and you know you're not going to be consistent with it, leave it alone. Believe you me, let me save you some time. Just make it stay, because it takes a lot, and if you're not willing to give a lot, then it don't make sense to even bother jump on that train, yeah. Really and truly. If you know say you're not intend for do what you need to do, then just leave it alone. Leave it to who they them. I could fight for the crumbs them will left. You get me? Because it just I don't understand. Like, I really and truly don't understand, and it's so unfair. It is so unfair. Like, the amount of work for people putting on the video them, and for no say more, well, you never get 1,000 views. I can't talk for myself. Alright? And it's not about the money. I'm gonna say it again. It's not so much about the money, it's about the views. Because I do get subscribers, and I honestly feel like YouTube is stealing views from people. That's how I feel. Like, I literally feel like YouTube is taking the views away. Just like how them gonna tell us you need to tell people say for wait name for turn on post notifications, and them look ray they're like, come on YouTube, like, do you think we're stupid? Like, come on. Here's what I think is happening, Zine. Here's what I think is happening, why the foolery are gone. I feel like which you can't really blame YouTube, to be honest, because for the fact that a lot of people are coming on here to be YouTubers or creating channels, see? For that fact, they're creating channels, they're monetizing channels, automatically now YouTube are gonna need to pay these people because they're making videos. However, companies won't pay for the ads to stretch across. So the only companies that are willing to pay, the money have a spread throughout who are already, you know, there, or who are coming on as well. So when enough money not there and people still are come on same way, that is how it's going to be like extra difficult. Nobody not gonna make no money now, because everybody want hop on the train and there's not enough to go around. Like, that's just a fact. There's not enough money to go around on YouTube, and that is why nobody not make no money. Like, I know people like, well, would I want to live off of this, and that's not my intention. I use YouTube as an avenue, as I told you guys. We use it as an avenue to promote myself. But I mean, come on, I wouldn't mind making money off YouTube, like real money off YouTube, you know. But it can't happen. It cannot happen. Look, the other day, like, a lot of persons quit their 9 to 5 to do YouTube, and that shit never work out for them. Them end up after find another way to make it work, because YouTube is just not made to be somebody's 9 to 5. Like, it's just not anymore. I think we just have to accept that and work around what we can work around. But being that that's what we're going to have to do, show your brother and your sister them love, man. Show them say, yo, you appreciate the work of going on them video them, watch them video them, support each other. And with that being said, here's what I want to do, right? I know a lot of us have YouTube channels, and I always see some queens comment under my videos, and you guys show me so much love. I want you guys to comment down below if you've made it this far in the video. Comment below your channel name if you have made like videos, you know, if you have a channel. Comment below, tell me what your channel name is. I want to show you guys love, like I want to show my love, but I want to show the love back. So just comment below and tell me your channel name, and you know, I'll come check you guys out. I'm going to be doing like some serious collabs for the month of, what we're in now, July, October. Down in October, I'm going to be doing some collaborations, and I want it to be like huge, guys. I want it to be so huge. I know, like, down in that time, October, November is Halloween. Yeah, I want to help because I know what the struggle is like. I know what it is like trying to get people to see you, trying to see, you know, get people to see your talent and all that. So if we could do like a collaboration, I want a huge ass collab. I mean big, like people from all different kinds of countries and so on. I think that would be great. YouTube needs more unity. There's not enough unity on here. Everybody just have to try fight against one another, and bitch, like, come on, that's not necessary. Because really and truly, if you're to make it on this joint, you will make it on this joint. If it was not in your deck of friggin' cards, it wasn't there, and it no matter what you do, baby, yeah, if it wasn't in your deck of cards, it no matter what you do, you just not gonna make it. But if you are to make it, you will. So helping somebody else does not dim your light. It doesn't stop it from reaching away. Like, this isn't even the first time I'm talking about this. I seriously feel like women fight against each other too much, and it's not necessary at all. You know, it might not be, everybody might not have their space doing the same thing, but there literally is a space for everybody. Yeah, there's a space for everyone, guys. So we don't need to fight against nobody. We don't need to do the back and forth and, oh, like, you know, like, that shit not necessary, none at all. On the ear marla, should I get really tired on me? Mega highlights using the golden light strobe light thing from Milani. Yeah, this is not a tutorial, guys, but I guess everything will be in the description bar down below. I just wanted to play in makeup today and talk to you guys about what has been annoying the shit out of me. Alright, so yeah, I don't know, I've pretty much spurted out everything that I want to say. Talk to me in the comment section down below, because I want to know if I'm being paranoid or if you want to see what me I talk about. Because I tell you, say, like, a long time YouTube are F itself, people are F themselves, and we just need for us, like, get it together, like, get it together. And I'm not, like, I appreciate all the support when we get. Me appreciate the support. I'm telling the guys, I'm telling you that in like every video. Your support, me appreciate 1 million. But I'm going to have links in the description bar to some of my sisters that women know, just like me, deserve more love and deserve more recognition. If you don't know Send Art Clean, follow them, because they have talent. I'm not gonna send them to the channel when I worth it, believe you me. Because honestly, I'm not stupid. I can see when enough work no go in or something. I can see it, I'm not blind. So I'm not gonna send you to a channel that is not worth it, or to a channel that is just like whatever. No. Alright, I see when people put in work, because me put in work, so I know when work go in or something. You understand? So don't think I'm gonna like send you guys to a channel that is like total crap. I would never do that. One thing you guys can always count on me for is my 100% honesty. So yeah, I think I need something on my lips now. Want something exciting. Yeah, let me try this, a more metallic lip cream in the color Raving Matte. It's a purple, number 8. Yeah guys, so I don't know, guys, please follow me on Snapchat, because I want to do a Snapchat Q&A like no. Guys, I'm unsure of what to do to my hair. I don't even know, so I think I'm just going to, like, I don't know, let me see if I can figure out something. You guys know I'm wearing these clipping extensions I already made a video for. Let me just try to make it look like something. Yeah guys, this will probably have to be good enough. Because I honestly don't know what to do to it. But this is not a hair tutorial or a makeup tutorial, so it's whatever. I just hope you guys got my message based on, you know, what I wanted to talk to you guys about. Yeah, like, I don't know, it's just the way I see it. It's just the way I see it, and I don't think it's a bad thing to show other people support and show other people love. I mean, me not say stop support them, but if you support people that you don't know, support people that you know as well, if that makes sense. You see me? But thanks so much for watching this video, guys. This rant has gone on long enough. This is the look that I came up with. Definitely something that I would normally do. I'm planning a bomb makeup tutorial that is summer inspired. I just haven't gotten what I needed yet, you know. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's talk in the comment section. I love when you guys talk back to me, so drop a comment down below and just talk to me. Let me know what you guys think about what I had to say. It's going to be an open floor. If you agree or disagree, it doesn't really matter what I want. If you disagree, I want to know why. Alright, so just talk to me in the comment section. Thumbs up this video. I want everybody to see this. I want everybody to know that they should support their own, because like, it's only right. So like, thumbs up this video, share it with a friend, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out. Alright, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.